Exercise 5.2, Problem 1, Subdivision 1. Let's read the problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. So let's mark what's given in the problem. Okay, we are asked to find the points are 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. We are asked to find the area of the triangle. Okay, given are the 3 points. We are asked to find the area of the triangle. What's the formula for the triangle? Area is half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1, x3 y2 and x1 y3. Since we know this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3, we have all the variables on the right side and area can be easily calculated. But the only point is the points must be taken in a counterclockwise direction, otherwise you will get the area as negative. Okay, so first step is take the vertices in the counterclockwise direction. Okay, so let the points of the triangle be A 0 0, B 3 0 and C 0 2. Okay, substitute the points A, B, C in the area equal to half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus the area formula and get the area of the triangle. Okay, so basically it is a simple straightforward substitution problem, and with that you should be able to do it. Now pause the video and try to do the problem on your own. Okay, and after doing, come back and check you are working against our solution. Okay, the solution. The key is first you will have to make a small diagram. Okay, there I've given it as what is A, what is B, what is C. You will have to put the right order. So mark these points. Origin is known 0 0 and the next point is on the x-axis, so 3 0, and the third point is on the y-axis, so it's easy. So these 3 points can be easily marked. Okay, up roughly, that's all it is. And you can see this ABC is in the right direction, that is in the counterclockwise, so there is no need to change. If they are not in the counterclockwise, you will have to change the order and take the points accordingly. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this will be the x3 y3. Okay, that's the key there. Then you draw you know the formula of the triangle, area of the triangle is this. Okay, and that can be pictorially depicted here. This is easier way to do that. How do you write it? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3, then one column, that is x1 y1. Then draw the arrows, this arrow, second arrow, third arrow, and the reverse are arrows. Okay, so the way to do is it is half into this into this. What is this? This is x1, this is y2. Okay, that is what you are. So it's x1 y2, this is x2 y3, this is x3 y1, and this is x2 y1. This is y1. Okay, but this is basically x2 y1. This is x3 y2 and this is x1 y3. You can see all the 6 terms reflected here. So basically all you have to do is that half into open bracket this into this plus this into this plus this into this minus open bracket this into this plus this into this plus this into this. Subtract it and get their value, right? So what will you get here? Half into open bracket 0 0 is 0, 3 2s are 6, 0 into 0 is 0. Okay, minus again open bracket 0 into 3 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, close bracket. Now you simplify it. So it's basically you will have only one term 6, all other terms are 0. So it's half into 6, that's equal to 3. So the area of the triangle is 3 square units. You got it? So the key point is you'll have to arrange it in the make a small simple diagram and make sure it is in the counterclockwise direction, unless otherwise I say that it is given in the right order. If they don't say that, we'll have to assume that the order is not right and we'll have to change the order so that the points are in the counterclockwise direction. If it is not in counterclockwise direction, the answer will come as negative. The area will become negative. That's all it is. The moment you get negative area, you know the order is not right. Okay, Great. What else? The another point is that the arrangement. Okay, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and this is x1 y1. Once this is arranged, draw the arrows, 3 arrows going down diagonally and 3 arrows going up diagonally. The sum of all the product of the terms in the diagonals going down, you add up, and that'll be the first term, and subtract the sum of all the terms of the diagonals going up. Okay, that's all it is. So I hope you got the working right. If not, please check what is wrong and make suitable corrections. If you have not understood the concept, please revisit the discussion part of the video as well. Thanks for watching this video.